do just a really quick video about this part from Lamonster Garage. I purchased this part, they sent it to me, and it came with a longer bolt. When I installed it, the bolt was about this high. It looked completely awkward. I wasn't happy with it, and I just didn't feel that the part actually should be like that. I don't think that's how they designed it. Every video I looked was a little bit different. And since I opened it, I ordered it this way so I could stick any little USB cigarette lighter adapter, and I can plug into here, and also it can plug directly to the battery. So I like that feature over the USB ones, because the USB ones is pretty much the same thing. I mean, you could stick a cigarette lighter charger in here, and I have some fast chargers that came with my phone, and this charges fast with it. But back to what I was saying, so the bolt that they sent me was extremely long. It just didn't look right. They told me how to install it, but the bolt was so long that the threads were not going on properly. So I was very unhappy. I was about to return it. I called the Lamonster Garage. They didn't answer. I didn't leave a message. Then I called them again. They didn't answer, but I left a message this time. Within about 15 minutes, I got a call back. A lady on the phone, I do not remember her name. She called me back, and then she put I don't know if it's an engineer or a technician on the phone. They both had me on speaker, and I explained what was going on. And they said to measure the bolt, which I did. I measured the bolt that came with it. The bolt was a lot longer. It was nowhere near the size that they were telling me that it was supposed to be. So we came to the conclusion that they sent out this part with the wrong size bolt. I did tell them I had a 2015 Spyder F3. Now, at that point, they said that they were going to send another properly sized bolt. I stopped the installation. I put everything back to stock. I pretty much already had it wired in, so all I had to do was mount it. The bolt came extremely fast, and this is not shots fired at Lamonster Garage, because I'm going to tell you this. At that point, I didn't even care that they sent me the wrong bolt. What I cared about is that they stepped up and took care of the issue immediately. I got the replacement bolt. I think they shipped it out the next day. I got it maybe a day after or two. I can't remember what it was, but it was extremely fast to take care of the problem. They called me back. I left a message. The first time, like I said, I called. I didn't leave a message, but when I did leave a message, somebody from Lamonster Garage called me right back. So that's another kudos for them. So basically what I'm trying to get to in this video is I want to thank Lamonster Garage for taking care of the issue, number one. Number two is calling me back. Customer service in the industry goes a long way. I have worked in the aftermarket industry before. I worked for Stillin, which is Steve Millen, and I also worked for Turbonetics. I was doing sales and customer service. And let me tell you, bad customer service gets out a lot faster than good customer service. But the fact that Lamonster Garage stepped up and they took care of the issue for me, I'm 100% satisfied. Like I said, I don't even care that they sent the wrong part, because it happens. It really does. You know, there's a process when you order to the packaging, and it's a simple mistake to put the wrong size bolt into the bag or into the shipping carton. It happens all the time. It used to happen when I was at Turbonetics. Somebody ordered a configured turbo. We sent in the wrong compressor housing, the wrong impeller. You know, just there's a bunch of things that can go wrong. Where the company shines is in their customer service. Another good customer service company that I've dealt with is BLR Tuning. BLR Tuning. Big up to Bill Ramsey. He takes care of his customers. I haven't even really purchased anything from him, and if I have an issue, I'll send him a private message. He'll get right back to me. So I appreciate Bill and his customer service, but we're talking about Lamonster Garage right now. So I was pleasantly surprised that Lamonster Garage actually stepped up and took care of my issue. So I just want to send an extra loud shout to Lamonster Garage. Like I said, I cannot remember who I spoke to. I cannot remember for the life of me who I spoke to. But whoever it was, they did take care of the issue. And I do appreciate the customer service that they provided for me. If you're looking for someone who is involved in the community, the folks at the Monster Garage are the ones to look at. They're in the Facebook groups. They're watching the Facebook groups. And if you have an issue with any of their products, and if they don't answer, leave them a message. They will call you back. I'm not getting paid for this little promo that I'm doing, but when I have an issue with a company and they step up and take care of it, guess what? I'm going to talk about it. So big ups to Lamonster Garage. Big ups to the young lady that answered the phone. Big ups to the tech that I spoke to. And like I said, I wish I would have remembered their name, but they totally step up, man. You know, they didn't ignore me. I was about to return this. It just didn't look right when it was sticking out this high and the bolts like this long, much longer. So we were talking on the phone. I got a tape measure. Sure enough, the bolt size was incorrect. So everything worked out. I appreciate Lamonster Garage for just taking care of your customers in that way. Like I said, this is not a major part. This is like $56, but they stepped up. That's my point of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and support these guys, man. On Lamonster Garage, thank you for your customer service.